Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we examine the case of Lindsay Clancy, the Massachusetts mother accused of killing her three young children in January 2023. The question we're asking, where is she now? Lindsay Clancy was previously a nurse living in Duxbury, Massachusetts, with her husband and three children. On the 24th of January 2023, authorities allege she strangled her three children ages 5, 3, and 8 months, and then attempted suicide by jumping out of a window at her home. The children died as a result of the injuries, and Clancy was severely hurt and left paralyzed from the waist down in the incident. Shortly after, she was indicted on multiple counts of murder and strangulation. The situation triggered a large and sensitive discussion about maternal mental health, postpartum illness, and criminal responsibility. Since the incident, Clancy has pleaded not guilty, and her defense has indicated it plans to argue a lack of criminal responsibility, often described as an insanity defense, citing postpartum depression, potential psychosis, and heavy medication as factors. Because of her physical injuries from the fall, Clancy remains in a wheelchair and is under medical and psychiatric supervision. While her criminal case is pending, a judge ordered that she undergo psychiatric examinations by experts chosen by the prosecution. Where is Lindsay Clancy now? As of now, Lindsay Clancy is held at Tewksbury State Hospital, a state-run facility for individuals involved in the criminal justice system who require psychiatric care. Her trial has been delayed and is now scheduled to begin in January 2026, after both defense and prosecution agreed to push it back to avoid court shutdown during the holidays and ensure sufficient preparation time. Clancy continues to live under medical, legal, and institutional supervision rather than freely in the community. The home she shared with her family has been sold and her husband moved out, indicating the permanent changes in her and her family's life. Lindsay Clancy's story is one of profound tragedy, legal complexity, and lingering uncertainty. From a mother and professional to an accused killer living under institutional care, her situation underscores how deeply mental health, family dynamics, and law can intersect. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this episode informative, please like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life updates on where they are now.